Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can improve Dress to Impress performance and fix lag. So here, if you want to play the Dress to Impress, but then you found out that your device is like just like this, when you want to explore, there's this choppy or lag movement, as you guys can see here on my device when you try to explore. So this is how you are going to fix it. So you just need to go to this game settings, click on this on the left in here, and there will be this quality settings for lag on the DTI. Now this is the default, and you can just change it into low, and then after that you can close, and you can see the visual might be a little bit different, but it will fix your laggy experience. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.